Welcome to another Adult Services Take and Make Craft video. This one is your macrame do-it-yourself keychain. So you've got a key ring and you've got 2 strands of your macrame. The first thing you're going to do is take 1 strand at a time, and you are going to take your key ring. You're going to take this loop, you're going to pull it through and pull the string from the inside. I'm also going to attach a PDF of instructions, so if you're more of a follow along on instructions versus visual learner, you'll be able to do that. Now, your outer strand is going to need to have 2/3 of the length, and your inner strand is going to need 1/3. So you're going to have to loosen this a bit and feed through so you can get more length on the outside. So you'll just have to kind of feed it through and keep checking your length. Because when you lay it down, you're going to want to be able to bring this strand up. And as you can see, I'll do it this way so you can see the entire length. That looks good to go. You've got that double the length on the outside. So you're going to do that one more time. Again, you're going to loop through the key ring, take your rest of your strands, pull them through, and now we're going to do the same thing. The short is going to want to be on the inside, your longer piece on the outside. So you're going to want to feed that through and keep adjusting until it looks like this. As you can see, your 2 middle cords are shorter, your 2 outside cords are going to be longer. Now, what you're going to do is you're going to be repeating the same step over and over again, but alternating sides. So let's make this long. What you're going to do is you're going to take your outside left strand, put it over the middle strands, but under this far right strand. Then you are going to take your far right strand and put it underneath the middle, as you can see, and through. So you're going to snake it under everything and through. And you'll see you have these 2. You're going to tighten it from here. You're going to keep the bottom straight and just tighten. Now you're going to repeat that again, but starting with this left strand. So bring this left strand on top of the middle, but under the right. So as you can see, it's under the right. Now you're going to take this right strand and go under everything and kind of diagonally cross it, and you're going to pull, and you're going to pull and pull. So I'm going to repeat it on both sides one more time. You're going to take your far right strand, cross it over the middle but under the left, so it looks like that. Now you're going to take your far left strand and make it diagonally. So see, the easy way to think about it is you're right here, your direct diagonal is right here. You're going to loop it underneath everything. So loop it underneath everything and pull. So now you're pulling up and you're pulling these to the side while you pull this bottom down. Okay, and again, Now, start from the left. Left goes over the top of the middle and under this right strand. You're going to take your right strand, diagonal, go under all of it, and pull. Now pull both sides out and keep the bottom ones straight. Now again, you're going to keep repeating that step over and over again until you get the length that you want. So I'm probably going to go until we're about here. So I'm going to keep doing it, and then I'll be back with what that looks like and on to the next steps. Now that I've continued my process down, we are going to tie this off. So all you're going to do is take two of your ends and do a simple knot at the end, and you can double knot it just to make sure we are nice and secure at the ends. Now this is where you get to personalize this keychain however you like. You could decide, I want to keep it long and I want to keep it like this. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take a pair of scissors and trim my ends a bit. And then I'm going to start fraying these cords. As you can see, the end of these, if you start to untwirl them, they will actually just come apart. So you can kind of work these to be looser and to start to unfray. See, I'm just kind of twisting and it's starting to come undone. And then you're also in your kit going to get some colored thread. Now this is where you can get creative. You can decide to wrap it in any way you'd like. You can even take these at the end and you can take your string and you can wrap individual strands, as I'm doing right here, to make them colorful. So you could do that. This is where you get to make it however you'd like. So you'll have your extra string and you'll have your keychain and you can get super creative. But this is your overall keychain in your macrame pattern. And again, if in the description box, you're gonna find a step-by-step tutorial about how we did this so that you can follow along. Thanks again for picking up your craft kit and following another take and make video. If you weren't able to pick up the kit, again, all you're using is a key ring and some macrame, and you're cutting the pieces to size, and you're using the description below or watching the video to do the wrapping portion of it. Please check out the rest of our YouTube channel videos. We have videos for adults and children. Have a great day.